I built this little ceiling fan here. It's a Hybrid Breeze Airlace. Let's do it. Okay, here's the hooker of the ceiling fan. There's like 3 wires. You connect to the you hook it up, and now there's a groove. You tighten that up of the groove holding. Oops. Right there. Your ceiling fan will be complete. Okay, guys, let me build the. My God. Okay, I got the hanger ball up there. Now for the setup, the ceiling fan to hook up. First, really carefully so the blades won't fall. Shoot it up. And now let me get a stool just to connect the wires. Okay, I'm on my stool ladder. Now you can see ground to ground. Tighten that up with wire nuts. Okay, white to white, black to black, and green to green, and red to red. That's it. We are done building the ceiling fan. Oh wow, it looks pretty good. 3-bladed. I think actually blows. I heard these things blow so much air. Well, bye guys.